In this video, we're going to talk about STA instruction in 8085. So what we basically do using STA is send data from accumulator to a certain memory address, and then the data we want to store is always of 8-bit. So the syntax of STA is just like in LDA, we provide LDA, STA, and then we provide a memory address. Suppose, say we have a value F2H in register A, and if we want to store this particular address or value in the memory address 2000H, then the code we write is STA2000H. Remember that STA always works with accumulator, so the value or the 8-bit value that you want to store in the memory has to be in the accumulator if you want to use STA. No other register to memory transfer is possible here. STA only works with the accumulator.